Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Dior. But before we get into that, I wanted to thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel and always supporting me. And for those of you who are joining me for the first time, my name is T, and I would love for you to join my beautiful butterfly family by hitting that little subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay, so let's jump right into it. I picked up a couple of items from Dior Beauty, and as you know and you can see, they always steal my heart with their packaging. It's just so gorgeous and chic. I think by far they have the best luxury packaging out there. I mean, come on, this is beauty. And this is their standard box and packaging here. Not just that, they have beautiful packaging that's different around the holiday time, all these pretty boxes, and oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous. So this is their traditional white and gold box year round. But again, they have special editions during the holiday season. So let's get into what I got. Let's open this pretty ribbon. And when you open the box, Dior always has your items protected really well. They are wrapped in this tissue paper and sealed with a gold Dior sticker, which I'm just going to rip through right here. Dior also has shredded paper in the inside with Dior all over it just to protect your items. I mean, come on. This is so classy, right? And this first item I'm going to share with you is a gift with purchase. It is a free item. And that's another thing I love about Dior. Not only do they give you 2 samples with every order, you get a deluxe sample if your order is over $100. And then they have all these promo codes that you can use and get beautiful items such as this. Look at that pouch, you guys. It is so cute. It's a mesh pouch and it can fit all of your beauty items in there. Here is another one I got free earlier this year that has those beautiful butterflies all over it. And I had to have that one. So let's get into the samples, which comes in a nice reusable pouch. As you can see, it's white and gold as well. So the first one I wanted to choose was the Dior Capture Le Serum because I've never tried this one before. I love the Capture Total line, so I thought it would be nice to try this out. Next, we have the J'adore Eau de Parfum, which I own, and it's a lovely floral scent. And then we have the new Miss Dior Essence, and I'm so excited to try this one out. Now that we got the samples out of the way, let's go into the first item I purchased, which is by far my favorite item I've been using all summer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect Stick. It is a foundation stick. I'm in the shade 4N. I have purchased this over and over again. In fact, the one I'm using now is almost empty. As you can see here, I can't roll it up anymore. That's it. I'm actually digging in it because, yes, I'm going to get all my product out of there. So when I finish, I have my new one. So my last item is the reason why I went on the website in the first place, because Dior launched their holiday sets. And I love their holiday sets, you guys. So this one I got here is in the Pink Glow Ritual set, which it comes with that beautiful gold bag. They also have a lip maximizer and also a lip glow in this bag. So let's take a look. Look at that gorgeous gold bag. There are two Dior gold stars on the zipper pull, which is so nice. I love this bag. Look at the CD on the front. And then, y'all, it has a handle. And you know what your girl is going to do. I'll show you at the end. I love to add a chain to this bag. So let's take a dive inside. That's what it looks like. It's made out of polyester, in case you're wondering. It has the CD monogram on the inside and is wipeable. So let's check out the first item here. I'm no stranger to these items. I absolutely love them. So the first one we have here is the Maximizer, and this is in 001 in the shade pink. This is my favorite lip product from Dior. I love their maximizers, hands down, because I love a tingling feel on my lips. But if you don't like that feeling, this might not be the product for you. My second favorite product is right here too. This is the Dior Addict Lip Glow in 001 pink as well. This lip balm is so moisturizing and feels so good on the lips. So now you know why I picked up this set, because it had my two favorite lip products in it. So there they are. I have more to add to my collection. So since I'm one of those girls who likes to get multi-use out of items, I'm going to show you how to change this into a handbag by simply adding a strap right here, as you see me adding my Louis Vuitton Felici strap to this one. So just by tucking that chain in there, you can now change this from a cosmetic bag to a handbag. And it is definitely big enough to add more items in it. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Here's my items from Dior once again. What do you think about their new holiday sets? Did you guys pick up any? If so, comment down below which ones you picked up or which ones you had your eye on. I would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.